Welcome to KR tutorial. In this video, let us discuss example number 5, example number 6 and example number 7. So in that example number 6 first, in triangle PQR, right angle at Q. PQ length 3 centimeters and PR equals to 6 centimeter. Determine angle QPR and angle PRQ. So here one triangle is there. So the triangle name is PQR and right angle at Q. So this is a one right angle triangle, right angle at Q. So this name is PQR. PQR right angle at Q. Next to PQ length is given 3 centimeters. Next PR length is given 6 centimeters. Then we have to find angle QPR. QPR means this angle value and PRQ means this angle value. These two angles we have to find. So in triangle PQR right angle at Q, PQ length 3 centimeter, PR length 6 centimeter. Then we have to find angle P and angle R values. So first in the solution, in triangle PQR, where the right angle Q equals to 90 degrees. Next, what is given? PQ equals to 3 centimeters and PR equals to 6 centimeters given. Now we have to find angle QPR. So here angle QPR means what? Angle at P. Angle PRQ means angle at R. So now first, if you want to find angle P, when you take this one as angle, then this is the opposite side and this one is adjacent side and this one is the hypotenuse, 90 degrees opposite side. So we have to find angle P value. We know adjacent side, we know opposite hypotenuse. So what is the ratio between adjacent side to hypotenuse means cos. So if you take cos P equals to cos P, the ratio between adjacent side to hypotenuse. So the ratio between adjacent side to hypotenuse. So here adjacent side what? 3 centimeters by hypotenuse is what? 6 centimeters. Centimeter gets cancelled. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. That means 1 by 2. So here cos P value 1 by 2. But from the table we know cos 60 value is equals to 1 by 2. So therefore here P value is what? Therefore angle P, or this angle P also we can write as QPR. Angle QPR, it is equals to 60 degrees. So the first one is 60 degrees angle. Same like that we have to find angle R. So when you take this angle R, now this one is opposite side, this one is adjacent side to angle R. This hypotenuse remains constant. Now we know opposite side and hypotenuse. So the ratio between these two is either sine or cosine. So here we are taking sine. So sine R equals to the ratio between opposite side to angle R to hypotenuse. So here opposite side to angle R is what? PQ by hypotenuse value is what? PR. So here PQ length is what? 3 centimeters by PR length is 6 centimeter. Centimeter gets cancelled. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. So here sine R equals to 1 by 2. But we know sine 30 equals to 1 by 2. Here sine R value 1 by 2. Therefore angle R value or angle R we can write as PRQ. Angle PRQ is equals to 30 degrees. Therefore here one angle is 60 degrees and another one is 30 degrees. Next example number 7. if sin a minus b equals to 1 by 2, cos a minus b equals to 1 by 2. Here 0 is greater than, 0 is less than, a plus b is less than or equals to 90 degrees. Find a and b. So here two values are given, sin a minus b value 1 by 2, cos a minus b value 1 by 2. So here two angles are there, a and b. Sum of that a and b is greater than 0 or less than or equals to 90 degrees. Then we have to find a and b values individually. So the solution, first given values are what? Sin a minus b value given, that is 1 by 2. But already we know from the trigonometric ratios values, sin 30 degrees value is 1 by 2. So sin a minus b value 1 by 2, here sin 30 value also 1 by 2. That means what? Therefore a minus b value should be equals to 30 degrees. Okay, this one make it as equation number 1. Next here cos a minus b value given, that is 1 by 2. But already we know cos 60 degrees value is equals to 1 by 2. So here cos a minus b value 1 by 2, cos 60 value also 1 by 2. That means what? Here a minus b value, should be equals to 60 degrees. A minus b value should be equals to 60 degrees. Sorry, this is not minus, so this one is plus. Okay, so here this one is cos a plus b, this one is also a plus b. Now make it as equation number 2. Now here a minus b value 30 degrees, a plus b value 60 degrees. Now these two equations we are adding, equation number 1 plus 2. So a minus b equals to 30 degrees, a plus b equals to 60 degrees. Now minus b plus b gets cancelled, 1a plus 1a 2a, 60 plus 30 90 degrees. 2a equals to 90 degrees. Therefore a equals to what? 90 by 2, that is equals to 45 degrees. So a equals to 45 degrees. Angle a equals to 45 degrees. Substitute in equation number either 1 or 2. So equation number 1 is what? A minus b equals to 30. But here a value 45 degrees minus b equals to 30 degrees. So this minus b send this side, 30 degrees send this side. So angle b equals to 45 minus 30. So therefore angle b equals to 15 degrees. See here one angle a is 45 degrees, angle b is 15 degrees. See 45 plus 50 what? 60 degrees. 60, sum of the a plus b value 60 means what? It is greater than 0 and less than or equals to less than 90 degrees. So angle a value 45 degrees and angle b value 15 degrees. So these are the answers.